Tired of losing savings in investments? Say goodbye to that once and for all by joining my team. Take a look at the results others are getting with me. They are impressive. Now imagine yourself being one of them. I'm Nathan, with 8 years of experience in the markets, and I've seen it all, from highs to lows and back again. My team and I understand the challenges beginners face when getting started, which is exactly why we created a robot that simplifies everything and delivers outstanding results. If you want to enter the investment world without stress, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into the interesting part, seeing our robot in action. Here I am on the platform, ready to follow the robot's recommendations. In the first session, the robot suggests moving downward. I see the momentum slowing down, so a correction seems likely. I follow the robot's recommendation and everything goes as predicted. Here is the result. For the next pair, the robot gives a new direction, upward this time. The candlestick is at a resistance level with no pullbacks, meaning a breakout is possible. I jump in and secure another great result. It's all working perfectly. The robot is better than ever because it focuses on the most promising pairs. We analyzed a huge number of pairs and found the greatest teammates, like the Eurozone, Australia, and the US. Of course, the robot can pick others too. As these can change over time, we designed the robot to adapt and select the most optimal pair as needed, based on market conditions. It's all calculated to keep up with market dynamics, so the robot can adjust and choose the top performing pair. In the third session, the robot again suggests going up. I see a correction on the chart, so I immediately follow the trend. And once again, it's spot on. The candlestick moves as expected. The robot guides everything, so there is no need to struggle with analysis. I get it. A lot of people feel nervous relying solely on automated services and robots. What if it sends a signal and you're left there, wondering what to do next? Well, with our robot, you'll never be alone. You're joining a community of like-minded people, including myself and thousands of others who are here to share experience, support, and help each other navigate this complex world. This robot isn't just a cold, lifeless algorithm. Behind it is a team of real professionals who have been through hundreds of market scenarios. We've factored in so many nuances and hidden pitfalls that the robot now provided highly accurate recommendations, so you always know what to do. It's like the robot is saying, "Relax, I'll handle this. Just follow the plan." Everything you need for confident market analysis and steady growth is already here. So click the link in the description or the pinned comment to get started. Now, another upward move. The candlestick is approaching a level and the robot signals that it is a good time to enter. I trust the robot and go for it. And as expected, everything goes smoothly. The robot predicts movements exceptionally well. Now let's talk about safety. Our robot is not only smarter but also more reliable. We added an advanced risk management system that analyzes sessions with vast amounts of data. We optimized everything crucial for the security of your savings, so you can trade with complete confidence, knowing it's all under control. How about entry accuracy? It's amazing. Previously, we had slight delays, which could lead to minor missed opportunities, but now everything's on point. The updated algorithm is sharper, so the robot hardly ever misses an entry moment. It tracks trends, volatility, and dynamics on a deeper level, which means your reward grows more consistently. Another signal appears, and this time we're moving downward. The level has just been broken, and I'm expecting a retest as the candlestick returns to the level. The robot calculated it perfectly and we're closing the round in a green again. We've revised the analysis criteria for past trades and made sure the robot learns from the data to improve future results. It considers everything: chart analysis, entry timing, stop loss placement, rewards tracking, execution, and exit points. The robot evaluates this information, draws insights, and adjusts its approach in upcoming rounds. It performs a mathematical review of the statistics from previous situations. This This minimizes the chance of mistakes and makes the robot perform better with each new session. One more session for today. The robot signals up and anticipates that the candlestick will break the previous high. I enter with the trend. Everything moves according to plan. Yes, the recommendation worked, the high is updated and the account balance is up again. And finally, once more, the robot signals an entry, this time upward. After a retest, the candlestick starts moving higher on the chart, exactly as we anticipated. I followed the recommendation and the result was another success. Everything works seamlessly, clearly, and effectively. We understand that theoretically, unsuccessful session can happen. However, now the robot can analyze and most likely avoid repeating the same error. That's why we prioritize programming the robot to analyze past trades thoroughly and interpret the results accurately. Thanks to this, the robot is unlikely to enter losing sessions. It's more selective about which positions are worth entering. If there is a high chance of loss, it's likely to hold back. It's all about precision, ensuring you get results with confidence. Oh, and before I forget, I've got some exciting news for you. The platform I'm using offers an extra 50% on your deposit for everyone who registers using my promo code. That's 50% of your initial deposit. Can you imagine? So you put 100 and your account already shows 150. You haven't done anything yet and it's already 150 instead of 100. Pretty amazing, right? Jump in now. Now, here are some of the latest updates for our robot. My team and I really dug into its brain, analyzing everything possible with AI to see where it needed some tightening or acceleration. We examined every part of the process, from market analysis to workflow, and kept going until it was perfect. Sure, there were errors along the way, but that's all part of how it works. When something didn't go as planned, we refined it, tested again, and kept it until the robot became a true powerhouse. After hundreds of tests, we released this update and now your results soar like a rocket. But hold on, we're not done yet. We're constantly making improvements. Our ambition goal is to make it stand out among all other market analysis algorithms out there. And we're moving fast toward that goal. A new robot update is already in the works, so if you are not with us yet, now it's the perfect time to join and get the most out of it with minimal effort. I hope you can see it for yourself. With our robot, you get a powerful tool and the support of an entire community. It's simple. Follow the recommendations and watch your account grow. This isn't just a channel or a robot, it is a community truly invested in your success. If you're ready to grow with us, click the link, message me directly, and let's get started for real. Don't just watch the market. Take action with confidence, with our team right beside you. Bye for now.